Hey beautiful ladies and gentlemen, this is Himanshu and welcome to the another video of photo manipulation and concept artwork. And in this video, I'm going to edit the last battle. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so to notify the future videos. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Up all night by myself, trying to think of ways to you. Your voice stuck in my brain, we never got to see it through. And I know I feel more pain if we're speaking truth. Cause when the daylight comes, I still lose. So will I feel it again? I just don't know. And I'm hoping I'll find a way to let go. So if you love me, how could you leave me so low? So will I feel it again? I just don't know. I just don't know. I just don't know. Cause when the daylight comes, I still lose. So will I feel it again? I just don't know. And I'm hoping I'll find a way to let go. So if you love me, how could you leave me so low? So will I feel it again? I just don't know.
All the honey points got you moving down, and doing the car.